Hi guys, in front of me is HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So to use codes you need to open your phone the other. And now here you've got the panel, so keypad is the panel on which we will be entering the codes. The first one that I would like to show you is *#06#, and here you've got device info with serial and IMEI numbers included. So whenever you want to quickly check your device's number, IMEI or serial number, just enter this code, and here it is. Tap on OK to exit, and now you can use another code, truly useful. It is *##225 #**. And here you've got the calendar info. So as you can see, I do not have any calendars added to this device. However, if you have any Google Calendar, iOS calendar, like whichever calendar you do have connected with this device, all upcoming events would be displayed right here. Also those stored on this device's internal storage. So it's super useful. You will not forget about any upcoming birthday celebrations or business meeting. And the third code that I would like to show you is *##, 4 zeros, #**. And here you've got about phone. So if you need something more than IMEI and serial number, the quickest way to reach all the details is to provide this code. So you can smoothly check your model, software version, hardware version, PRL, made number, SID number, and so on. So just provide it, and you've got everything here. So these are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.